Hello to all of our friends all around the world. We're getting a blizzard here. I just came outside. It's shortly after 7 o'clock. You can barely see down the road, and the snow is really high. There's our front steps, and they came all the way up to our door. It's really coming down. We are in very heavy snow bands right now out here. The snow bands is the heaviest right now in southern New England, southeastern Connecticut portion right now. And I'm going to show you down our road. It's windy out here. You can barely see. There's down our road right there. You can't even see down. I'm going to zoom in. You can't even see the end of our road. And they say we're getting a total of 16 to 28 inches. Another 8 inches of snow today. I've seen some birds around. I've got a bowl of goods here for them. And it's a very powdery snow. I'm going to take you out back and show you our backyard. I haven't been out there yet. Last night got very windy, snowy. Cars look like they're under the snow. It's my sister's car. They got the street lights still on. I'm gonna take you all out back. The snow's up to the top of our tire on our van. I'm almost out back. Look at the snowdrift here. This is the snowdrift. Look at that. That's like 30 feet up here. Look at that. Oh my. This is like in the side of our addition area. Look at that. Oh my God. That is amazing. Here's our backyard. Let me take a look out here. Oh my. Look at this. Her fence. I can't even. Oh, there it is. I'm pushing the fence gate up, and it's completely almost blocked. Look at this. Whoa. Look how high that is. Whoa. Alright. Got some birds over here. The snow came up pretty high on our picnic table. You can even see over there in that tree that you can usually spot. It's hard to see. I'm gonna head in soon, but this is Blizzard. Keep safe, everybody.